most of you have asked me to see if Lapa is vibrant as much as Santana. So today we are going to explore the chaos of the commercial center to find out the most traditional market in São Paulo. So this is one of the main districts here in Lapa. And this is Mercado Municipal da Lapa. I've heard about this market. So let's go inside and find out what it's really like. So let's go. So let's walk around and see what we can find. So this place, a place that you can buy all this local food and local groceries for kitchens, equipment. All these are local food here in Brazil. It's a quite busy market here. So this is where the locals shop and also meet friends, because there is a place here, there is a place people relax and meet friends and also eat some local food. Anything you want that is related to local food, you can find them here. Opa. This is both cashew, both granules. There are a lot here. Opa!
O senhor está filmando?
Yeah, filmando.
Isso, o senhor tem autorização? Que aqui precisa de autorização para filmar.
Aqui?
Isso. Tem administração, segundo eles pedem, mas é só falar no balcão ali, pedir no balcão.
Tá bom, onde?
Quer que eu coma? Vamos lá.
Tá. They say I have to talk to the people that take care of this place. Tell them before I can record video. So they said I can't film inside here just like that. I have to take permission from the authority that manage this place. The person that control here is not around at the moment. So let's go outside. So this is how the place look like. It's a quite busy market here in Lapa. You can really feel everyday life of this neighborhood here in this place. Olá.
Aí na hora que você ligou, tá vindo.
It's quite busy. It just reminds me like other places I have explored before, like Prass and and the 25. If you go to my channel, you will see those places that have explored. Just like this, all these street markets. Opa! Yeah, Brazil! Yeah! So it's a cool business area here. Here's the fast food shops. This place can buy just all these local clubs here in Brazil, Palmeiras and Corinthians. All these socks, stockings, can get them very lower price here. Teddy bed for children. Yes, São Paulo, they have a lot of places like this where you can buy something very lower price. All the street market. Here's the kitchen equipment. So it's a long street. Olá. Opa.
Tá gravando? Tá gravando?
Gravando.
Sabe por que o bom.
Bora. Canta, bora. É, falou.
Tamo junto.
Obrigado.
Ah, eu gosto.
So the feeling of this place is a very local life. So this Lapa is located in the west side of São Paulo. So this kind of the place that come for one thing and live with something completely different. Here is the shopping center here. The movement is massive. It's very busy. Olá, opa.
Dá uma bola pra ele.
This is one thing I like exploring streets of São Paulo. It gives you another side of the city. Other places I have explored here in São Paulo, all the markets, they just look equal different than this place. But one thing that makes it look alike is the busy, the movement of people.
Ele já vai 8 horas.
Não vou pegar a manta porque eu já tava.
Do you think that Lapa suppress Santana? Leave your comment below. And don't forget to subscribe and like and share my content for more São Paulo work. So from this place, you go down to the train. So this is one of the entrance of the train station that connects here, a Lapa train station. Lapa.
vai ser. O pai vai ficar lá embaixo. Então...
So this is Lapa train station. I'm here to board in. So these people here, they're waiting for train. The ones that are going to the northern side of São Paulo.